Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to copy text on iOS 14. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So sometimes when you try to go and copy text, you keep clicking on it and it doesn't work. Sometimes it works. So here you can see as if you're clicking on it, if you press and hold, nothing happens. So easiest way to copy and paste text will be to double click on the text that you're trying to copy. So I'll show you again. If you just click on it, no options come. So if you double tap it, you'll see an option for copy, cut, and paste. So you can go ahead and select the whole text and then copy and paste. So this is the easiest way to copy and paste. So if you like this video and it helped, please give it a thumbs up. If it motivates me to do more videos like this, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.